Hey guys, this is Casey Prince with the Prince Group and Keller Williams Realty. I want to tell you about two great communities brought to you by Rocky Branch Builders. We have two new construction communities near Lake Oconee. We have Alexander Lakes, which is a private lake community 2 miles from Lake Oconee, and Fishtail Marina. We also have Hunter's Chase Crossing, and we have new construction homes in the 3s, 4s, and 5s. We have homes that are move-in ready, and we're also accepting pre-sales. Thank you so much for touring these two beautiful communities near Lake Oconee. Once again, remember we have move-in ready homes and pre-sales available, and homes in the 3s, 4s, and 5s. I would love to show you one of these beautiful homes. For more information, as always, please contact soldbytheprincegroup.com.